Good day, sir. I am Principal Mendel L. Valentos. Today I will recite Rule 13 in Colregs. Rule 13, Overtaking, Section A. Notwithstanding anything contained in the rules of Part B, Section 1 and 2, any vessel overtaking any other shall keep out the way of vessel being overtaking. Section B. A vessel shall be deemed to be overtaking with coming up with another vessel from a direction more than 22.5 degrees above her beam. That is in such opposition with reference to the vessel she is overtaking that at night she would be able to see only strength, strength light of that vessel but neither or her side lights. Section C. When a vessel is any doubt as to whether she is overtaking another, she shall assume that this the case act accordingly. Section D. Any subsequent alteration of the bearing between the vessel shall not make the overtaking vessel a crossing vessel with the meaning of these rules, or relieve her of the duty of keeping clear of the overtaking vessel until she is finally past and clear.